Hey guys, how's it going? The weather is so brutal today. It's so hot, and it's not even the peak of the heat yet. And it feels like I'm living in the sauna. So hot today. But anyways, besides my bitching and complaining, let's talk about High Tide earnings on Monday. What to expect for High Tide's earnings. So, High Tide earnings will be after the market closes on June 28th, 2021. So I guess in theory you have tomorrow to gamble if the earnings are going to be super fantastic and the market gets hyped up and pumps it to the moon, or maybe the market will pump it to the moon on Monday, and then when the earnings come out they're going to dump it. One of the two scenarios. Up to you what you want to do, or how you want to play this, or how you want to. If you want a long High Tide, that's okay too. I mean, I do believe that the company is on the right path of execution, but until they can prove to the rich people, I mean the market, that they deserve their money, the High Tide stock won't go up. It'll probably be a trading stock. So anyways, let's talk about it. So April 30th, so it'll be ending on April 30th, 2021, which will include the 420 holiday, and 420 is usually the best day for selling. That week alone should be really good, so that will add into their financials. And then if you also look back in the month of I believe, so it'd be like February, March, April. So I believe in the month of February, March, and April, they opened up a ton of stores, like almost 15 stores. And then on top of that, I think, I could be wrong, this quarter could also include a full quarter of Smoke Cartel. So what will the stock do? I'm thinking it's going to get pumped on Monday, and then when the earnings come out, it's going to get dumped. That is my opinion, not financial advice. If you bought in and you want to take profit when the market pumps it before they dump it, it's up to you. Or if you want to long it, it's up to you too. It's your money at the end of the day. Anyways, let's go over to the last earnings report on Sedar. So this is the Sedar. This was the last earnings report for ending of January 31st, 2021. So as you can see, their cash on their balance sheet was $16.57 million. They did, I don't know if they spent some money during the quarter, but my assumption is their cash is going to go up a little bit because they're going to be profitable this quarter. They have a total asset of $165 million. They have a total liability of $112 million. They have a total shareholder equity of $54. So their revenue for last quarter was $38 million. I think they're going to easily beat that. I think it's going to be like around $50 million of total revenue. And their gross profit is going to be, probably 35%. So, you can do the math on that. I don't know, like 20 million plus. Salary, wages, and benefits is 5,800. General administration is another 3,000. Professional fees, this could either disappear or continue to will continue for the quarter. If it does disappear, then this will add to their profitability. And interest chargeback, advertisement, those are like nothing. So they're probably going to be profitable. The expense, salary, and wages are probably going to go up slightly, maybe around $6 or $7 million. But their gross profit is going to be probably around $20 million. So they're going to flip probably $5 to $10 million of profit. But is that good enough for the market? I don't know. Only time will tell, right? These are just tax write-off purposes. So, man, I'm not really an expert on financial sheets, so go talk to a financial advisor if you're really interested in how to determine the balance sheet a little, or the income statement sheets a little better. So yeah, anyways, I think it's going to be a good quarter. I think it's going to be good earnings. I'm definitely going to be listening onto the conference call. Yes, I'm still a shareholder. Let's just quickly look at the charts of High Tide right now. High Tide looks like it's starting an uptrend. So I think, I think we're going to go back to $11.70. I think we can hit $12, $13. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Maybe earnings are so good, maybe it will get pumped and stay up and not get dumped. So we'll see what happens. We'll see where the market pushes a High Tide. Only time will tell. And it's almost 4:20 right now. In one more minute. Yeah, so right now the market is green at the hours. This could easily turn red because it's not a super strong green. So we could see a little bit of a red day tomorrow, but I don't think the market is anywhere close to crashing. And here's the Smoke Cartel. I believe they acquired this in January. So definitely February, March, and April will include Smoke Cartel, and on top of all the stores they open, I'm thinking they're gonna push $50 million of revenue. My opinion only, with about $10 million of profit. Is that good enough for the market? I think it should be good enough for the market to pump it up higher, but only time will tell. Only time will tell. Bitcoin right now is up right now, 8.45%. Steve came out and says that he sees a lot more people buying than selling. So there's a lot of crypto bulls out there, especially on the Voyager platform. Dogecoin is up right now, a penny. I guess that when it dipped under 20 cents, that was a buying opportunity. It could go back down there again. I don't know at the end of the day. And Torchlight, I was listening to some video. People were saying that there's going to be short squeeze on this. I don't know why, how, but there's a decent sized short position of 15.31 million shares. So maybe this reverse split. Maybe shareholders don't care. Maybe they're going to pump it anyways, and the stock is heading to the moon. Who really knows? Usually reverse split will cause the stock price to go down in the short term, but there's some people that saying that on YouTube that there could be a short squeeze on Torchlight Energy. I don't know at the end of the day. We'll see what happens. I do have a small position in Torchlight. If it goes down, I'm gonna add more. I still haven't even done my research on this company yet. I should, but I'm just too lazy right now. Yeah, the weather right now is brutal, 32 degrees, and by Wednesday and Thursday it's gonna hit 39. By Friday it's gonna rain a little bit, so Friday should be a nice day. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.